to all of you. And as I told you, that I'm going to show you videos. Okay. So I'll share my screen and I'll show you videos.
What do you think it means to be healthy? Lots of different things affect how healthy we are, including what we eat and how active we are. We know that all living things need food to stay alive. Have you ever wondered why this is? Can you think of a time you felt hungry? How did it make you feel? Perhaps your tummy rumbled. You felt tired or grumpy. Or maybe you found it hard to concentrate. Why do you think we feel this way when we're hungry? Well, just like a car needs fuel to make the engine work properly, our bodies need food to be able to work properly as well. Today we're going to investigate what it means to eat a balanced diet and why eating a range of different food is good for us. What is a balanced diet? Do you think it would be healthy to only ever eat chocolate? What about if you only ever ate carrots? It's very important that we eat a variety of foods, and we're going to find out why. Food contains something called nutrients. We'll be learning all about nutrients, such as proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Eating a healthy diet means that the food we eat gives our bodies all of the nutrients they need to work properly, as well as giving us lots of energy to learn, play and grow, keeping us full of beans from morning till night.
Okay, so this was my first video which I want to share. Yeah. Okay. So I hope everyone saw this first video. Now we are going to see the second video. Okay.
Do you like healthy food or do you like junk food? Do you like healthy food or do you like junk food? I like chocolate bars and I like apple pie. I like chips and cookies and I like salty fries. But healthy food makes you strong. Healthy food makes you fast. Junk food, it makes you weak. Junk food makes you big and fat. I don't care about that. I'll have a pizza, please. And I'll take some soda and some extra cheese. But healthy food helps you grow. Healthy food is good for you. Junk food, it makes you soft. Junk food, it makes you slow. But I like fudge and churros. I like candy too. I like hot dogs. I like fast food. Eating all this junk food makes me feel alive. for you. Why did you avoid the healthy food? Why do you eat junk food? I want fish and eggs. I want nuts and yogurt. I want fruit and veg. I want cheese and broccoli. Some beans. I want ice water and salad that is green. And sometimes I'll eat junk food, but I won't forget. Only eat a little bit, get more healthy food. Big, small, short and long.
Okay, fine. Just now you saw these two videos. Okay, I told you all to guess the topic name or to guess what the video is exactly about. So can anybody tell me through chat? Yes, please. Aditya, very good. Shambhavi, very good. Tejasya, answer is quite incomplete. Try to complete it. Bugdha, yes, very good. No, Ayushi. Yes. Krishna Tanay. Okay, so I got right answer. Mugdha, my question was that the video which I shown you now. So what you understand by these videos? Can you guess the lesson name? Yeah, Soham, very good, very good. Okay, so you students are right. The lesson that we are going to start today is about healthy food. Okay, now I shown you two videos. Okay, first video they were showing about what? Yes, correct, correct. Yes, okay. So everyone understood now what is the lesson that we are going to start. Very good. Now students, as I told you earlier also, our body need uh, all type of vitamins and minerals. Okay, so to get all that we have to eat different type of foods. So as in the video it is shown that we only can't eat carrots. Okay, we can't only eat apples, we have to eat variety of things. Yes, correct, we have to eat variety of things so our body can grow very faster. Even in this video it is explained why this junk food is not good for our health. You saw this video now. So in this video you saw this junk food is not good for us. What happened when we are eating junk food in the second video? Yes or no? Yes. So the lesson that we are going to, it is not a lesson, it's a poem that we are going to start today. Name is healthy food. Okay, so let's begin with the poem. And as per the videos everyone understood that why we have to eat the healthy food. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so this poem is all about healthy food. Okay, now everyone can see this picture. Okay, now what you can see in this picture, what you can see in this picture students, the students are having their food. Okay, sorry, the kids are having their foods. Yes or no? Everyone can see here are 4 kids and they are having their foods. Two kids with their family having their food. Okay, now what they are having, just look at their table, dining table, what they are having. They are having fruits. Okay, they are having their fruits, then they are having fish, then they are having uh, salads. Okay, so what does it mean that we have to eat each type of food? And look at their faces while eating this food, they are very happy. You can't see bread on their dining table, you can't see noodles on their dining table. Okay, yes or no? Okay, so they want to tell us to eat healthy food. Okay. Now this is the poem that we are going to learn today. Students, I want you to repeat the same lines after me. Okay, tomatoes are red, beans are green. Okay, the first line is tomatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a crown just like a queen. A brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Okay, in the first line they want to say that tomatoes are red. Everyone is knowing, if teacher is going to tell you to draw some vegetable, the first preference is given to tomato only, because red color is available in our crayons. Yes or no? So everyone is knowing that tomato color of the tomato is what? Red. Now what is beans? See, beans means what? Beans is a long vegetables having seeds inside. Okay, it's a long green vegetable having seeds inside. Okay, everyone is knowing beans. Okay, we are eating vegetables of beans. There are many type of beans. Okay, there are many type of beans. That's why I said that it's a long green vegetable with seeds inside. Okay, we can see French beans, we can see cluster beans, few more there are, I can't remember the names, but there are the beans. Beans means a long vegetable having seeds inside. Okay, now what is the second line? A brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Now they are calling brinjal as a queen. They are calling brinjal as a queen. Now I am going to show you why they are calling brinjal as a queen. Okay, wait. Yeah, you can look at these brinjals. Wow, very nice brinjals now. Now look at their stem here, this part. Okay, you can see that shape of this part is just like a crown. Is just like a crown. Okay, so they are calling brinjals like a queen. They look like a queen. Now, crown means what? Crown means something that queens and kings used to wear on their head. Okay, same way the brinjal is having this designer crown on on its head. Okay. That's why they want to say that a brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Okay, I hope everyone understood why brinjal is called just like a queen. Why brinjal is called having a crown just like a queen. Okay, now third line. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have a juice that is healthy to drink. Everyone is knowing potato color. Everyone is having potato in their kitchen. So potato color is what? Brown. Onion color is what? Pink. And carrot juice is healthy to drink. Yes, obviously, because carrot is having many things which are good for our body. It is said that if you are going to eat carrots, you will not get specs for a long time. It is said that carrots can improve your eyesight. Okay, then vegetables make me strong, healthy and wise. I eat them every day with roti and rice. Okay, so this in this line they want to say that vegetables make me strong. Vegetables make me strong. Healthy and wise. Healthy means what, students? Healthy means um, uh, strong. Healthy means what? Strong. Okay. Wise means what? Clever. Wise means what? Clever. Okay. So vegetables are making us strong. Healthy means already a word is strong is written. Healthy means that your body is so strong that you are not getting you are not falling ill again and again. Okay. That's called healthy body. Okay, so your vegetables make you strong, they make your body healthy body, and also make you wise. Okay, I eat them every day with roti and rice. So to be strong, to be healthy, to be wise, what we have to do? We have to eat vegetables every day with roti and rice. Okay, that's what the poem is about. Okay, now you can see the next picture here. You, again, the brinjals are having crown just like a queen. Why it is said? Because the stem of the brinjal is look like a crown, having zigzag design like this. Okay, so it looks like a crown. So it is said that brinjals having a crown just like a queen. Okay, now you can see tomatoes are red. Okay, and these are beans. Okay, actually the vegetable name over here is French beans. Okay, these are the long green vegetables with seeds inside. Okay, then you can see potatoes which are brown in color, then onions which are pink in color, and you can see carrots. We used to drink juice of carrots and beat together. Yes or no? And if you are going to, it is suggested that instead of taking juice, we have to eat them. We have to chew and eat them so that we are getting all properties of the same. Okay. Now we will see the meanings of the same lesson. So here are the meanings. Okay, as I told you, beans is a long green color vegetable with seeds. So we saw they are having a long shape, green color, and they also have seeds inside them. If you are having the same vegetable in your fridge, you can check it out. Okay, you also can check the cluster beans. You can open that pod and you can see there are seeds inside. Okay, then second word is crown. Here, the brinjal stem, which look like a circular object, the queen wear on their heads. Okay, so we saw the brinjal stem is having zigzag shape just like a crown. Okay, then juice means what? A liquid taken from fruits or vegetables. Okay, juice means what? A liquid taken from fruits or vegetables. Then healthy means good for our body. Healthy means good for our body. Vegetables means parts of plant which are used as a food. Parts of a plant which are used as a that are used as a food. And wise means clever. So that's what we are having in this lesson. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this poem. If yes, type yes. If no, type no. I will go through the poem again. As I am going for the poem again, I am going to read the poem again in the class because I want my students to repeat the poem in the class. Yes. Okay, very good. We will read the poem one more time, students. Okay, everyone try to say the same poem with teacher. Okay, sorry, after teacher. So here is the poem again. So I want everyone to read. It's very nice poem. Okay. Tomatoes are red, beans are green. Tomatoes are red, beans are green. A brinjal has a crown, just like a queen. A brinjal has a crown, just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink. Carrot have juice that is healthy to drink. Carrot have juice that is healthy to drink. Vegetables make me strong, healthy and wise. Vegetables make me strong, healthy and wise. I eat them every day with roti and rice. I eat them every day with roti and rice. So this poem is in front of you now. I want everyone to read the same poem. And after some time I'm going to ask someone to read the poem. I'm going to unmute someone of you to read the same poem, so be ready. Yeah. Okay. Vihan. Okay. Vihan, I unmute you. Now I'll open the poem. Yes, Vihan, are you ready? Vihan, are you ready? Okay, chalo start. Yeah, I already unmuted you, beta. I already unmuted you. Great. Again I unmute you. Come on. You just click that microphone, you will be able to speak.
Yes.
Come on, start.
Tomatoes are red,
Be louder.
beans are green, a brinjal like a crown, a brinjal has a crown, just like a queen. Potatoes are red, brown. Potatoes are brown, onions
Onions.
are pink. Carrot have a juice that is healthy to drink. Vegetables make me strong, healthy, and wise. I eat them every day with roti and rice.
Very good, very good, very nice. Okay,
Thank you.
now you can mute yourself. Okay. Now I'll choose one more student from the class. Uh, Shambhavi, are you ready? Yes, Shambhavi Mankar. Yeah, Shambhavi, can you see the poem?
Yes.
Can you read it for me?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
Tomatoes are red, beans are green, Ginger has crown, just like a queen. Potatoes are brown. Onion is pink. Carrots have juice.
That is
That is
healthy.
healthy to drink.
Hmm. Vegetables.
Vegetable.
Vegetables make me strong. Say.
Vegetables strong,
Hmm.
strong, healthy,
Huh. And
healthy and wise.
yes, I eat.
I did every day
Yes.
with roti and rice.
Shambhavi, I think your mom was helping you to read the poem. Huh? So next time you will try to read it alone. Okay, fine. So now
Okay.
I'd like to call. Yeah, one student is there. Yeah, Manthan. Manthan. हाँ चलो
Yes,
start reading the
teacher.
poem. Yeah, start reading the poem.
Tomatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a
Crown.
wood, does like a wheat,
Potatoes.
potato are brown, onion are pink,
Hmm.
carrots have juice, that is healthy to like
Healthy to
green
drink. Huh.
vegetables, meat, meat strong, healthy, eat
Healthy
healthy
and
and
why
nice.
I eat them
Why
every day.
eat
I
eat them every day with rice,
roti.
roti and
Roti and
rice.
rice. Very good. Okay, good. Okay. I think
Thank
Trisha
you,
Sawant.
teacher.
Welcome. Trisha Sawant. Chalo.
I got
Read this
it.
poem.
Good morning, teacher.
Yeah, very good morning to you. Start.
Tomato are red, other green,
Wait, 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 wait,
banana
wait, wait,
brown.
wait. Wait, beta.
Tomato are
Hmm. Beans.
beans are green. Potato, onion are the pink. Potato are the brown. Onion are the pink. Carrot are the juice. That is healthy. Good not a drink. Vegetable strong. Healthy and wise.
Okay.
I eat them every day. We do wise to is to and I.
Okay. Now, just now I unmute Khushi Jadhav. Yeah.
Good morning, teacher.
Start.
Tomato is red. Brinjal is green. Uh, Potato is brown. Carrot is fruit.
Onions कहाँ गया?
Onion, onion and onion, uh, onion pink.
Come on, next line. Carrots have juice.
Carrot have juice.
Hmm. That is healthy to drink.
That is a healthy food drink.
That is the कहाँ है बेटा? That is healthy to drink.
That is a healthy to drink.
Next line. Vegetables make me strong,
Vegetables make me strong.
healthy and wise.
Healthy and white.
I eat them every day.
I eat that every day
With roti and rice.
with cookie and rice.
Very good. Okay. Now we will stop poem now.